The ink system consumables. This is that wonderful brush we talked about. This is supplied with Matthews. One brush per print head is what comes with it. This is the Matthews part number if you want to order a Matthews brush. Ink and cleaner. Matthews will offer ink in the small pint-sized containers that we use on the saw. They also will sell you ink in bulk if you use enough ink. If you do purchase it in bulk, I recommend you saving extra bottles of ink and cleaner because that's what fits in the holders, and the bottles do wear out or can wear out. So you're going to want to save some of those bottles that are coming with the saw or that you use before you switch to the larger quantities. We do have empty bottles available if you need them. We recommend that you store it between 40 degrees and 90 degrees Fahrenheit. There is an expiration date on those bottles of ink and cleaner, so you do need to rotate them. We don't want you to have to throw out a bunch of ink and cleaner because it never was rotated. Just be aware there is an expiration date. The viscosity of this print of the ink and cleaner can change over time. It is flammable. It needs to be stored away from potential sparks or flames. And we want to leave the bottles sealed until we're ready to use them. Try not to open up a bunch of partial bottles. There's really no reason to do that. You might have an open cleaner bottle that you're using for cleaning, but you should only have one open at a time.